If you are wondering if we have bypass charging available on the Xiaomi 17T, then the answer seems to be unfortunately no. There is no true bypass charging option available on the Xiaomi 17T. Usually you can find it in the game turbo panel. Sometimes this feature is available while playing a game, and sometimes it is available in battery settings. But in this case, if we go to battery settings on our phone, then you will not be able to find anything that is related to bypass charging. So over here in battery settings, we can go to, let's say, charging options, but there is nothing in here. And I know that sometimes the battery protection can be used as a way to use bypass charging. And to be precise, if you use battery protection over here, you limit charging to 80%. So if you charge your battery to 80% and then use a bypass charger, then technically you should be able to use it. But that is not a true bypass charging feature. It's just like a little workaround. Of course, if you want to use that method, then you can give it a try, but I cannot promise you that it's going to work as intended. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.